In this video, I'll show you how to install a SIM card into your iPhone 13 or 13 mini. It's very easy. The first thing you have to do is to take your SIM ejecting tool that looks like this one, or you can take a needle. Now take your phone, and on the left side, you should see a slit. You see right here? Well, you need to take your SIM ejecting tool and insert it in the hole. And then you need to press until the SIM tray is ejected. Once it's done, take it again and just pull it out. Okay. Now you can turn your phone the other way. Take the tray, take your SIM card, and you'll see that there is a corner that is cut. You see? And there's a corner that is cut on the tray too. You need to align both of them. This way. Once you're done, take it with your fingers. Be careful to not drop it, and insert it back in the iPhone. Make sure it's flush. To know if the SIM card is working, you can see on the top right corner here. Whoops, sorry. On the top right corner, we have some bars. It means we have signal. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was useful. Please subscribe and give a like.